Alright guys, so today's video is a little bit different. I'm not really going to be doing a market update this morning. I actually stumbled across some very interesting opportunity um, that came across me on crypto.com. So if you guys are familiar with crypto.com's DeFi app, they have a DeFi app. For those of you guys that are not familiar with DeFi, decentralized finance, I'll have to make another video to kind of break down and explain a little bit more in depth what DeFi is and what purposes it serves. But to make a long story short, DeFi is decentralized finance. It's kind of off the books financing. You will see that more into swaps, like for example, Sushi Swap, Uniswap, 1inch, Pancake Swap, BSC Chain, Binance Smart Chain has their own swaps, DeFi swaps, like Cake and all that. So what the purpose of these swaps are is you can go on to these swaps. They don't need any KYC. It's literally you get keys, you're in, you swap what you need. It's decentralized, so you will hear a lot, you trade at your own risk on DeFi swaps, and that's kind of what it is. It's the wild west of the swaps. So do your diligence, be careful when you're going on there, because if you do lose some money or send money to a wrong address or whatever the case may be, there's no one you could really complain to, or anyone you can call and say, hey, I made a mistake, I need my funds back. So take your time, make sure you know what you're doing. Give me 1 second. Let me adjust this, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna make this just a tad bit smaller for you guys. Sorry. There we go. All right. So as for like I was saying, DeFi app, crypto.com, they recently launched their mainnet Cronos, which is partnered with crypto.com, and that's going to bring you a lot of the Web 3.0, Web 3 services, apps, a lot of other tools that you'll be able to, finance tools, swapping tools, NFTs. And the whole purpose of the DeFi Cronos is to kind of make it more cheaper, a little cheaper than Ethereum. If any of you guys are Ethereum investors, or swap and buy NFTs, ERC20s on Ethereum blockchain, then it could get pretty pricey. So on Ethereum, the gas fees, the GUI, can get pretty pricey. Sending, receiving can cost you a ton of money depending on what you're sending or receiving. So there are layer 2s out there that are trying to solve this problem and just make it a little bit more affordable for investors and traders to just kind of swap around. And that's kind of where Cronos steps in. So right now, so once they launched their Chrono mainnet, this was one of the options they had. And now I'm not sure if any of you guys heard of yield farming, but yield farming a lot of the time is where you can stake a percentage, and that percentage gets put into a pool of other people, doing the same thing, and it pays some crazy percentages, really crazy percentages, to the point where you're just like, whoa, didn't even know that could pay. So we're going to dive into this real quick and kind of give you guys a quick overview. I'm still studying VVS Finance. Like I said, this is super duper new. This is this token is not even on exchanges yet. This is the only place with the DeFi app VVS Finance is the only very, very simple finance. That's what it stands for. You can see it right over here. Very, very simple finance. This is the only place you will be able to get VVS, which is really cool because it's exclusive, and that's sometimes where you make the big bucks. With yield farming, yes, it could be a bit risky. Like I said, it's DeFi, so you want to do your own diligence. You don't want to listen to anything I say. I'm just here for entertainment purposes and just kind of giving you an overview of what I think about this. Am I going to try it? Absolutely, it's worth a shot. I got a few CRO to send over there. But let's start to dig in. Your gateway to decentralized finance movement. Take control of your finances and earn Sparky VVS rewards. We're going to dive into that and let you know what they mean by that. So this is their desktop. They also it's probably easier if you access it through your DeFi app. If you have crypto.com and you're a crypto.com user, I recommend downloading their DeFi app. It's free. Download their DeFi app. Has lots of advantages for using it. Once you download their DeFi app, you will see that they have their Cronos bridge option, and from there you'll have to bridge some CRO to the Cronos Beta platform. And once you have it in there, you're going to get something like this. So let's kind of get started right here. Okay, so this is their swap option. When you get onto the VVS Finance platform, it's going to ask you what you want to swap. And like I said, this is a DeFi swap. So once you go on here, you'll be able to choose some pretty good tokens, to be honest with you. I mean, there's not much of an option here. There's not too many options here, but the options that they're giving you are pretty good. Wrap to BTC, Wrap CRO, USDC, Ethereum, VVS. Just these right here, I would be interested in earning, excuse me. So liquidity, sometimes with the liquidity pools, you earn rewards for lending out or adding liquidity to the market. So you get that's another way to earn rewards right there. But for example, what I did is I swapped my CRO for VVS because that's what I was looking to get. The reason why you see Connect Wallet here is because when you click on this, you get to, if you're using ERC20s, Ethereum based tokens, then you would click on MetaMask and connect your wallet. If you're using Crypto DeFi, which is what I'm using, you would click on Crypto DeFi, and this is going to come up right here. You're going to get this connection link, and what you would do is in the DeFi app, in the top right corner, there's like a little camera scan, a cam scan. You would click on that, your camera scanner will pop up. You scan this barcode right here, and then that's gonna connect your DeFi wallet. That's gonna connect your DeFi wallet to this platform safely. I did it. I had no connection issues. Everything is there. It's a bit laggy and a bit jumpy at the moment, but like I said, this is an incredibly new platform. Same reason why you should consider a bit of risk. You know, you don't want to send thousands and thousands of dollars at first. You kind of want to get used to and see what you're doing, and then from there go on. Choices of earning. You can farm, yield farming, and look at these percentages, guys. This is insane. I mean, this 1,500, 85%. I mean, 1,700, 6,000, 6,000. Let's do so right here they provide a calculator. This is the amount of liquidity that there's people staking right now. Over, oh my god, $26 million. This is pretty big, guys. This is so interesting. Like I said, this is partnered up with CRO. CRO doesn't put out crappy projects, so this is kind of what caught my attention, is CRO partnering up with these people. They don't put any sketchy projects. at least as of now they have it. So let's see right here what would have staked for. Let's see what an investment of $100. So if we put in $100, that we stake $100 of CRO and ETH, that would pay us $4 daily, $32 weekly, $234 monthly, or $244,000 annually. Wow, that is insane. You get paid out in VVS. That is crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's see what an investment of, $1,000, $41 a day, $325 a week, $2,349 monthly, and $2,441,000 annually. That is crazy. That is a percentage of 244,151,000. That is a crazy percentage, guys. This is insane. But CRO to ETH. This is their staking calculator, and I don't think these percentages, now I think these percentages are really high right now because, like I said, this is very, very new. Let's see, 20 times 25. The multiplier represents the proportion of VVS rewards each farm receives as a proportion of the VVS produced each block. For example, if 1x farm receives 1 VVS per block, a 40x farm will receive 40x. Okay, and the amount is already included in APY. Man, I don't think these percentages will last forever, but I think it's worth taking advantage while it lasts. Let's look at mining. So you're also able to mine on here. Carts full of bling bling, stake VVS for more VVS. So basically whatever you put in, you get back and you compound from here. So let's see, bounty, optional features, auto compound, bounty reward. Whenever you successfully claim the bounty, you're also helping to trigger auto compounding for all auto VVS users. This display amount does not belong to you until claimed. So you're allowed to compound what you're earning, or what you're earning compounds by itself automatically. So you're just making more. Whatever you're receiving, you're instantly putting it back and just receiving more and more rewards. That's kind of why the APY, look at this insane APY. My goodness. So let's see, with an investment of $400, you would be receiving $19 a day, $154 weekly, $1,241 monthly. That is a lot of money right there, guys. That is at current rates. Like I said, I don't think these rates will last too long. This is new. A lot of the time when something like this comes out, especially with yield farming, and it's very new, they're almost giving away as much as tokens as possible. You're just farming them and collecting, because we have to remember this coin isn't even available on the market yet. This is only on this Cronos blockchain. It's not on the market. That's why I don't even think it has a value at the moment. I'm going to find that out right now. So if you go on CoinGecko and you try to get some info on CoinGecko at what it's valued, it is not ranked. If you see here, it is not yet ranked. VVS Finance, preview only. There's nothing on it yet. So it's still safe. Very, very simple DeFi trading for all, gateway to decentralized. We already seen this, and there is no information on here. They have a Telegram, Discord, Twitter, which I'm following, website. Not much on there. Like I said, this is really new, and in my opinion, sometimes it's when it's worth taking advantage of particular coins, because the best way to make money, in my opinion, is when you get in early. early investors always get rewarded, and well, I don't want to say always, but usually the chances of you getting rewarded from this are really, really high, especially for something that hasn't hit the market yet. Once it hits the market, then the price starts going up. If you're an early investor and got it for nothing, then you're gonna make money regardless. Okay, so there's not much information there. Let's go to analytics. Okay, liquidity, 281 million. Liquidity has been growing since when it started. See, on November 8th, this is incredibly new. So volume yesterday was at 30 million. Wow, that is really high volume, guys. Top tokens, RAB, VVS. VVS is what I'm currently staking right now. Liquidity 10 million, up 5%. So this is what VVS is valued at on their blockchain, 0.00014. So very cheap at the moment, but like I said, that's why it's important to stake these coins and get as much yield as possible, accumulate as many as possible for in the future when they actually do go public, or in the future when they do go to get listed for other exchanges. I mean, can you imagine when this gets listed on crypto.com? It's gonna go bananas. And if you have 1 million of these sitting in your account, you're going to be heavily rewarded. So, like I said, it is rewarding to be an early investor. And just a heads up, I shared this with my VIP group a few hours before I started making this video. So if you're in my VIP group, you got a little bit more in-depth information. I sent you some pictures and whatnot before we started going live. But this is really interesting, guys. Like I said, check it out. Do your own research for yield farms. I mean, the volume on here is insane for this being not a private blockchain, but just being so new. I mean, this blockchain just opened up, and there's already a lot of volume on here. Connect wallet. So I kind of showed you guys if you want to connect your wallet depending on what you have. VVS Finance, definitely worth checking out, guys. Definitely worth checking out. So I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys this new little gem. I'm not trying to shill you anything or tell you to buy anything. It's just something that is really interesting to me. These APYs are just insane. I'm definitely going to take advantage of it. Will I be risking a lot? Absolutely not. I try to always manage my risk and invest what I'm willing to lose. Like I said, crypto.com has always been a really good platform, and they haven't been known to really list any shitty or suspect or just scammy. I don't think this is a rug. If you guys are thinking this is a rug pull, it doesn't look like it to me. But like I said, manage risk, do your own diligence, dive in a little bit deeper. If you don't understand it, take a second to understand it a little bit more. If you guys are interested in me making a video on the crypto.com DeFi app and how to use it, please send some likes, send some comments, subscribe to the page. That kind of lets me know what you guys want to see. If you guys aren't telling me, I really don't know what to make videos on, and just gonna make it on whatever I think is best. So don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate you guys so much for checking out the channel. If you are not joining us, if you're not on our Discord group, check the link to the video, or even on our Instagram, we have a link tree to all of our platforms like Twitter, TikTok, and Discord. So I appreciate you guys all. I hope this video was helpful, and see you on the next one.